Yeah. So very good morning to all of you from Team Sanduk.
We can't hear you here.
Yeah. Okay. Hello. Yeah, a very good morning to everybody. What a happy Sunday morning it has been. And we had wonderful 2 days of Sanduk that has gone by, wonderful events, lovely shopping. People have been shopping till they are, for the whole 24/7. And it's been a wonderful show by the exhibitors. And today we thought we'll do a nice award ceremony to recognize some of the exhibitors, the visitors who have been a part of this whole event. And to start with this award ceremony, I would like to request our President Pranay Agarwal to address the House.
Thank you, Manish. Thank you. What a great day today we have. I welcome our very own Shekhar Da, Rotary International President 21-22. Our special jury for today, Rashi Ji. Rashi Ji has a special position today. She is our special jury. And our special jury, Sonal Sangvi Ji, all the way from Dhanbad. Thank you, Sonal Ji, for joining us today. Rotarians, spouse, exhibitors from all over India and beyond, and guests. As we come to the third day of Sanduk, I remember the first day we met, the six of us, our core team, to discuss what we can do for Sanduk. And then came the idea of an online exhibition. And today we are sitting on the third day. What memories we have. I would like to thank each and every participant and our sponsors for having the faith in our team. A special thank to the pillar of Rotary Calcutta Mahanagar and soon to become the pillar of Rotary, our own very own Shekhar Da. He was the one who planted the seed of the online. I thank him from the core of my heart. Without taking much time, I would like to share about what happened in the last 2 days of our exhibition. So can we have a short mashup, Manish?
Yeah.
Officially that this wonderful Sanduk is inaugurated. Have a great time, spend lots and lots of money, because remember, wherever the Rotary is concerned, it's always going, something or the other is going for charity, or is being done for charity. God bless you, Sanduk, and God bless you.
So the thing is, I'm going to teach you 2 drapes. One is going to be a modern style, because इस कपड़े को normally क्या होता है, लोग ये सोचते हैं कि नहीं, ये थोड़े ना बूढ़े लोग पहनेंगे. I mean, young girls को ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, ये हमारे लिए नहीं है. वो जब जो शॉपिंग करने जाती है तो बोलती नहीं, ये रहने दो, इसका ये तो खाली दुपट्टा दे दो. I will hang it on one side. But I must tell you, this is a must have in your wardrobe. इसकी खासियत मैं आपको बताऊंगी during when I'm draping.
May God bless you, and may Sanduk be able to serve all those who need help today during this difficult time. Please come and join hands.
Thank you so much for inviting me, first of all. And it's all new to us, to you, to me, to everyone. We're facing a new world, a new time. So definitely there's going to be a new festival time as well. And so are the new exhibitions. And, so as we discussed that, the topic that we hold today is about inviting Mahalakshmi. And it's not just for this year. It is for each. There's something more that we can give to our generation, and a better understanding, a clearer understanding that why we should do that. What is it going to add to our life? And what does it do to your mind to change everything around it? So are we all ready to understand and go for a little trip of understanding into our little rituals, and how can it progress us to grow and actually invite Mahalakshmi in our lives?
Hi, I'm Rohan Arora. This is the first time that we participated in an online exhibition, and I have to say that I'm quite happily surprised with the kind of responses and queries that we've got on the first day.
Called Sandook yesterday. It was really an amazing feeling. It was actually like going to an exhibition and experiencing each and every stall.
Hi, this is Nikki Soundsucker from Nikki's Artisan Jewelry, and I'm so proud to be part of Sandook, and I'm really appreciating the fact they have been so of this digital platform. I'm so correlated with Sandook, and thank you so much for this wonderful response which I'm getting from Sandook. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Shweta from Viraki. Participating in Sandook was a great experience. Yesterday I had 597 visitors visited my store. A great response. I had a very good experience and a great exposure. Thank you, Sandook.
Team Sandook, cheers to you. I'm at this remote place and I'm shopping. It's cool. Enjoying such fun. We can reach this at anywhere.
The website is very user friendly. There are various stores and their collections are very nice. I love
the app is extremely user friendly, very easy to navigate, has different categories demarcated very clearly, and is very intuitive. They have the latest collection of bed sheets, jewelry, home decor, saris, festive clothes, rangolis, you name it, and they have.
We took part at the Sandook online edit, and it was an absolute amazing experience that we had. This platform was very smooth and user friendly, and the consumers found it very easy to shop over there. They could easily WhatsApp call, video call, or leave us a message for any product that they were interested in. It also helped us in keeping touch with a huge customer base that we couldn't have found on our own. So thank you Team Sandook for this amazing platform, and we would love to be a part of it again.
Hi, this is Preeti Ghosh from Label Kanaya. I would like to thank and congratulate Team Sandook for being such a great host. They have really made a mark with this great platform, extremely successful as I can see. The navigation is superb, the execution have been great, the whole download time of the site have been superb. There have been no complaints so far from any of the clients.
It's a superbly articulated exhibition. All the products very well exhibited, categories very well defined. It was an amazing experience to shop online. With Diwali being close, it was such a lovely experience to sit at home and do your festival shopping.
Hello everyone, this is Saloni and I just wanted to share the great experience that I've had while shopping on Sandook. I think they've got a great curation of product, and what I absolutely loved was how easy it was for me to register, to find the products that I needed, and most of all, how easily all of this is going to be delivered to me right here in Guwahati. So I urge all of you to go check out their website because I'm pretty sure you're going to find something to splurge on. Have fun shopping.
Wow. Thank you very much for that awesome reviews.
It was really ecstatic, the reviews that we great, and we thank all the exhibitors once again from the from the bottom of our hearts, because it's because of them, their products, that this whole experience has been possible. This exhibition has been successful just because of them. And definitely I would like to thank all our sponsors, and I would like to name them one by one for coming forward and giving us the opportunity to present this platform. So I would like to thank Surana Jewelers. I would like to thank Anmol Biscuits, Bhandari Automobiles, Kothari Bedsheets, Fover, Alphatech, Indian Weaves for their contribution. Now I would request our Nina to please introduce our jury today.
Thank you, Manish. And we had one more sponsor, that is Austin,
who came forward for
Yeah.
this cause. So a round of applause for all the sponsors.
And Kothari also.
Yes,
Kothari
and
was sitting.
Kothari. Kothari bedsheets. Thank you, Manish. And it's my privilege to tell you all about the jury. Good morning, everyone. Rashi Mehta did her schooling and college from Shiksha Yatan and postgraduate from J.D. Birla College. Rashi ji is an accomplished painter and she has performed on stages many a times all over India. She was the president of Inner Wheel Club of Calcutta Mahanagar in 1992 and served as district ISO and treasurer twice. Rashi Mehta is the incoming first lady. I repeat, Rashi Mehta ji is the incoming first lady of Rotary worldwide. She has always participates actively in all programs of Rotary along with RIP and Shekhar Mehta sir and attended many international assemblies and conferences. She is deeply involved with India Heart and Akarshan, the fundraising event for Rotary Calcutta Mahanagar and Inner Wheel. She has helped to raise more than 3 crores. She is a speaker twice at international assemblies. Rashi ji is blessed with 2 children, son Chirag and daughter Chandni. Please welcome our loving Rashi Bhabhi. Our second jury, Sonal Sanghvi. Sonal Sanghvi ji, who is an architect and builder by profession and graduated from the prestigious JJ School of Art, Bombay, with a degree in architecture. She is an active member of Rotary Club Dhanbad and held positions of treasurer, director, and chairman of various committees, as well as the joint secretaries of the club. She is the spouse of PDG Kamal Sanghvi, who is currently is International Rotary Director 2019 to 2021, and she is blessed with 2 sons, Khwab and Ravishu. An avid traveler, Sonal ji was the international training leader from 2010 to 2012. She currently runs an NGO, Saffron, which works on the upliftment of women through vocational training and job. It is our privilege and I welcome on behalf of Rotary Calcutta Mahanagar, welcomes you, Sonal ji Sanghvi, our grand jury for today. Welcome, ma'am, Rashi Bhabhi and Sonal Bhabhi. Thank you.
A very
Over to you,
warm
Manish.
welcome to both the jury members, and they have been kind enough to judge all the stalls. So, you know, the way we processed the whole thing was we had a nomination committee which was constituted, and we had nominated 3 stalls from each of the categories that we had. So now I'll request Seema Bhabhi to run through the nominations for the first category, which is art. I'll just share my screen. Just hold on. Seema ji Sontalia.
Yeah, thank you, Manish ji. Good morning, everybody. All are excited to hear the nomination. So,
can you see my screen, please?
Yes.
Yes. So, the stall nominated for Sanduk Award are Objects in the Rear View Mirror, Art by Namrata, and Out in the Wild. Best of luck to all of you.
Yeah, I would request Rashi Bhabhi to please declare the winner.
Very good day to everyone. Please accept our hearty congratulations, the special Chhabbis team of Sanduk, for curating such a grand event for a noble cause. I know the sweat, the planning, the unplanning, doing, undoing, sleepless night that has gone behind the scenes to put up this show. So heartiest congratulations, because the 3 days have really been wonderful. Everybody is happy, the exhibitors, the visitors, So I think all this perspiration has been rewarded pretty well. Our compliments to all the stall holders for wearing their creative hats, not only for the production of aesthetically designed products, but also creatively designing their display of products. A big hand for all the stall holders. Friends, it was a tough task to select one winner amongst so many winners, but the task had to be done. So after visiting, revisiting and revisiting and exchanging notes with Sonal, finally we came to a decision. So the winner in the category of art is Art by Namrata. Congratulations, Art by Namrata.
Yeah, is the stall holder here, Art by Namrata? I don't think so. She's here. Okay, let's move on to the next category.
She's there. She's there.
Yeah? Oh, wonderful, wonderful.
Her it's mute.
She unmute
Yeah,
herself.
hello.
Hello.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. I enjoyed my experience at Sanduk and hope to repeat again.
Yeah, many congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Artist, congratulations to you.
Thank you.
So moving on to our next category.
Pardon?
Manish, can you make me the co-host, please, Manish?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks.
Fashion.
So our next category is
Yes.
Manish, hold on. I was trying to mute everyone, so now you can unmute yourself and go ahead.
Yeah, so the next category is fashion. And I would request Seemaji Somani to please declare the nominations for the category.
Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Seemaji.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Friends, fashion is a word too difficult to define and understand. However, all the fashion conscious ladies of our club and team, after thorough screening, has nominated following 3 names. First one is Nazakat, then Pranaya, then Omana. These are the 3 nominations.
Yeah, Rashi Bhabi, please do the honors. You have the winners with you.
Yeah. Friends, the winner in the category of fashion is Nazakat. They have brought Kashmir so beautifully to us. Their display, their product, everything is just superb. And even Pranaya and Omana, everybody, it was very difficult decision, but Nazakat has been declared as the winner. Congratulations, Nazakat.
Do we have the stall owner of Nazakat in the meeting? Please unmute yourself. I don't think so. She's there.
Manish, please make me the co-host, the other login of mine, so that I can navigate from here. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, I think so. She's not there. So we move on to the next category, which is the jewelry, much sought after category by all the lady shoppers. You know, we have had our insights, and this is the most coveted category of all. So I'll just share my screen, the winner, the nominations for this category, and I would request Reena Bhandari to please declare the nominations.
Hi, good morning. Can everybody hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, Bhabhi.
Yeah. Okay. Jewelry is every woman's favorite. She's incomplete without it while dressing. Be it silver, metal, diamonds, stones, or gold. She loves it all. And it was difficult for us to choose amongst the categories, but we finalized 3, and they are Kari, Aesthetic India, and Imperial. All the best to the 3 stall holders. Who's declaring the winner? Manish, please announce.
Yeah, Rashi Babi, please do the honors.
As very correctly said by Reena, the jury is everyone's dream. So while navigating through all these 3 nominations, I felt everybody is unique. One is unique in filigree jewelry, one is unique in its royalty, and the other one is unique in the contemporary, a mix of contemporary and conventional. But finally, we decided upon Kari. Congratulations, Kari. The way they presented their royalty, the way peacefully and very grand walk one has to go through their website, it's really wonderful. Their presentation and their collection is extremely wonderful. Congratulations, Kari.
Many congratulations, Kari. Is the stall owner here in the meeting? Please unmute yourself.
Yeah, hi, I'm
I
here.
think so. She's. Oh, very wonderful, wonderful. Can you have her on the spotlight, please?
Thank you so much for the kind words.
You need to put your video on so that we can spotlight you.
Manish, can you please make me the co-host also?
I have made you the co-host, Pranay.
Congratulations,
No, I'm
Pragya.
on 2 logins, so both of them.
Both of them.
Okay.
Oh, I think so. Are we able to hear from her?
Yeah, there she is.
Pragya, everybody is eager to
No, I
see the
think that
lady behind this creation. But if you are comfortable, please put on your video. But if you aren't, it's okay.
No, I think
So
there's
maybe we can
some
move.
major network
Issue.
problem. I think it's just getting disconnected again and again.
No problem.
Let's
Many
see,
congratulations.
Can you all hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes,
we can hear you.
We can see you.
Yeah, hi. Thank you so much for the lovely words coming in from your end. And I'm really thankful and grateful to be a part of this beautiful organization and all that it's doing for the cause.
Thank you so much for making Sandook more beautiful with your creations. And we really appreciate your effort and the thought behind you getting into this exhibition. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, so moving ahead to the next category, which is also one of the most sought after categories, which is lifestyle. So इस दिवाली सबने अपनी lifestyle को और improve करना था, and a lot of people, you know, took a jig at all the stalls that were there in the lifestyle category.
Manish, I'd like to add something here.
Yes, please.
So we'd like to call upon our jury member, Mrs. Sonal Sangvi. She's logged in from Dhanbad. Sonal ji, can you unmute yourself, and we'd like to have you spotlighted. Can you just share what was your experience as you browsed through Sandook, and then you can announce the winners for the remaining 3 categories, please.
Congratulations, Rotary Club Calcutta Mahanagar, for this awesome Sandook. It is really unbelievable that in such difficult times, we have that fun of shopping, you know, visiting different stalls and having the same fun as you would in person. So I really commend each and everyone, the entire Sandook team, and I would only say that today's event is an epitome of human endeavor and innovativeness. Excellent, even in these difficult times, you have spelled excellence all over. And as its old saying says, that where there is a will, there is a way. You have shown it, and it has been really turned out a very successful event. And ये भी कहती हूँ कि अगर शाख सही हो तो फूल तो आने ही है difficult times पे भी. Mahanagar has always been a very strong club, and with leaders like Shekhar Da and Rashi, definitely you had to come out something very, very creative and innovative, which is here as a Sanduk. So beautifully articulated, perfect navigation. As you open, you can just go whichever stall you want to. You want some favorites, you can do that. It's not that you have to go all over again. And then the responses also have come so well from the stall owners. So I think it's been a really good experience, and 24/7 is something which is very nice, because even in like late night when you're free, you want to browse over all the the shopping items, you can do that. So it's really amazing. I really once again commend and congratulate you all. And I think all the stuff, the gift items or the lifestyle things have been amazing. It's very difficult, as Rashi said, to decide on one winner. And before saying that, I would also like to thank Panay that you made me a part of jury with Rashi, so which was again a very good experience. And I think the next to whatever categories, if you tell the nominations, then I can tell the winner.
Yeah. Thank you, Sonal Bhabi, and you've been wonderful. You know, I'm sure that you must have had an enjoyable experience shopping at Sanduk. So I'll just, put on the next set of nominations. The first category is the lifestyle category, and I would request Rita ji to please come forward and declare the nominations, please. Rita ji, can you please unmute yourself?
Can't hear again, please.
Yes, Rita ji.
हाँ, और एक बार बोलिए, हम सुना नहीं, हम दूसरी तरफ देख रहे थे.
Can you declare the nominations for the lifestyle category?
Wait, I'll declare.
Manish, you can go to the first slide.
Papers. I'm not clear. Paper store. Another is.
So the nomination.
And second, third one. Step 9.
Thank you, Rita ji.
Who is the announcer for that?
So Son.
All the three paper stories, Pale by Nidhi and Step 9 have beautiful products, very nice. But as Rashi also says, we have to declare a winner. So the winner is Paper Stories, because the products are so beautiful and perfect for gifting or for oneself if you want to have it. And the way Paper Stories have displayed with the prices and sizes and every details, that's what was really nice. So the winner for this category is Paper Stories.
Many congratulations, Paper Stories. Can we have the exhibitor spotlighted?
Aditi, are you there?
I don't think so. She's there.
I don't think she's there.
So anyway, many congratulations to Aditi. Wonderful curations you had. So we move on to the next category, which is beauty, wellness, and food. So I'll just share my screen for the next category, and I would request Savita to please declare the nominations for this category.
Yes. Food, beauty, and wellness, the basic necessities of life today. So nominations in the category are Earth Collective, Food Brigade, and Aura. Sonal ji, please do the honors.
Yes, all the three nominated stalls are so unique and so beautiful. So it was really difficult to choose one. But the winner here is Aura, because of his amazing creative products and very good prizes and very well displayed. So the first prize here goes to Aura.
Many congratulations, Team Aura. Can we have the exhibitor spotlighted if she's in the house?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi. Thank you so much, Sandook team. It was a really great experience shopping with you guys and beautifully executed. Thank you so much.
Thank you and many congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so moving on to the next category, which is again a very, very sought after category because it's a pre-Diwali show, it's a pre-Puja show. So the festive decor category. And I would request Shashi ji to please declare the nominations for this category. Shashi ji Agarwal.
Are you there, Shashi ji? I think
she's not there. Anyway, I'll declare the
Aparna,
categories. Aparna, can you do, please?
In the festive decor category, we had Abha Jindal. Then we had Anushima all the way from Raipur. And we had Anju Bajaj from Calcutta.
All the three nominated teams were fantastic. But I especially like the we and Rashi decided, and we like the poshaks. They were so beautiful and so attractive, and definitely so the prize goes to Abha Jindal.
Many congratulations, Abhaji. Are you there in the house? Can we have her spotlighted and hear from her? Aparna, is she there? Can you just check?
I don't think she's here.
Okay, anyway, many congratulations to the winners. And now we move on to the next category of award, which is the Viewers' Choice Award. So this is a special award which has been thrown out by our system. So this was the stall that was, liked by most number of viewers till date. So it's been decided by the system where, most people have put this stall as their favorite. So I would request Jyoti ji to please announce the winner for this award.
Jyoti, you're on mute.
Good morning, everyone. I'm very happy to inform you all that we had more than 4,000 visitors to visit Sandook. And it's a really great feeling to know whom they added to favorites. It's my privilege to announce the name of the stall which got the maximum add to favorites, the maximum number of likings. And Visitors' Choice Award goes to Twofold by Akshita. Congratulations, Akshita. Are you here, Akshita? Are you here?
Akshita is not here. When my developer called me up that the add to favorites maximum number is twofold, I called up Akshita. I said, come to the awards. There's something special for you. She's saying, I am getting too many calls from so many customers. Let me attend to my stall. She's so excited selling.
Most favorite is very busy now.
That shows that she is the favorite.
Yes, absolutely.
It endorses it that she is the favorite.
Yeah. So many
all the winners, fantastic.
Many congratulations to all the winners. We had another lucky draw award for all the people who have, thrown in reviews to our system, and we have found a very, very special way to declare the winner for this. So there will be lucky draw. Can we have everybody muted, please?
Yeah.
So since it's an online show and everything is online, so we decided to invite Mr. Computer to pick the 2 lucky draw winners. So we had some rave reviews given on our website. So I'll just share my screen and with the winner for this. Just give me a moment. Hello. So you can see the name of the people who.
We can't see when it's back out again.
Hello.
Can't see.
Can you see now?
Yes, it has come.
So, I have added all the names of the people who have, put in their reviews, and I'll just ask the computer to please generate the winners. So I'll start here, pick a random name. So the winner is Surbhi, and I'll pick the second winner now. And the second winner is Ranju Sethia.
Congratulations.
So congratulations to the
Congratulations to the two winners.
Now, what's the full name of Surbhi? What's the title?
She's just mentioned Surbhi as her name. We have the mobile number, so our backend team will call them and inform about the thing. So moving ahead, those were the awards for the morning. Statistics that I would like to share about Sandook.
Before that,
yeah.
And before that, I'm happy to tell everyone that it's not that just your name is being announced. We're actually going to be couriering a very special Sandook hamper, which is going to certainly make your Diwali really special this year. So keep waiting for that little package which is going to reach your homes.
Yes, Aparna, that will be really nice. And all the winners also will receive their awards in due course of time. So I'll just pick up some of the highlights, some of the insights into Sandook, what went into the Sandook and how people actually reacted to Sandook. So let me just share my screen. Can everybody see? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, we can see.
Yeah, so wow, what a social media presence we had. So during the course of all these days, when we started marketing maybe about 20 days back, we've reached a figure of almost 630,000 people. Our videos have been viewed at least 1 lakh times, which is about 97,000 times. Some 3,900 page views are there, and our posts have been liked, or there has been an engagement by almost 46,000 people. So that was the reach on Facebook that we had. Well, on Instagram, again, we had reached almost 270,000 accounts. That's so in total, we have reached more than almost 10 lakh people over social media on just two platforms, that is Instagram and Facebook. Well, some of the insights on how Sandook viewers were there. So as we told you earlier that Sandook will be a global affair. So it is not local, it is global. So this is how the map looks. We had visitors from all these countries across. So you can see those little blue dots, blue patches. So those are the places from where actually people visited Sandook. Definitely India was the spotlighted one, so you can see it in dark blue. So we had a total of 21,500 plus visitors, and almost 17,600 visitors coming in from India, some 2,500 visitors coming in from Nepal, and almost 500 visitors coming in from United States of America. So that speaks about the volumes of the people they have visited Sandook. So these are the top cities, where Sandook was. shows that the entire India is blue. So we had visitors from across India. So we had visitors from Bhilwara, from Bikaner, from Jaipur, from Gurgaon, from Delhi, from Pune, from Bangalore. Definitely the topmost city was Kolkata, followed by Mumbai, followed by Delhi, followed by Pune, Bangalore, Jaipur, Gurgaon, and Hyderabad. So I'm sure that all the exhibitors had a fair chance of meeting customers from across India, in fact, across world. So on 9th of October, we had 2,553 unique visitors who came and shopped at Sandook. So unique visitors, by unique visitors, we means that these are 2,500 people who entered Sandook, and maybe they have entered twice. So we are not counting them twice or thrice. We are just counting them once. So, and the yesterday's statistics was approximately Sandook. So that was all insights that we had in Sandook, and I'm sure it was a great show. And it was just possible because of the exhibitors, because of Team Sandook, because of, you know, the celebrity guests we had, and definitely. So I would now request Aparna to propose a vote of thanks to the people who have been involved in Sandook and making this event a grand success.
Yeah. So
before that, Manish, yeah, Aparna.
Just before that, we had announced 2 awards. Dr. Madan in her session had announced 2 awards. A lot of us were not present yesterday, so I'd like to share that as well. So Laju Bhabi, just unmute yourself. The exhibitor who had the best display, Laju Bhabi wants to share that with us.
Yeah, the best display exhibitor is Happy Threads. Congratulations to you.
Wow. They had some amazing, those crochet products. It's an NGO and they're doing amazing work. Another award we announced yesterday was the most innovative exhibitor at Sandook. So Payal, can you just unmute yourself, please?
Yeah, the award for the most innovative exhibitor goes to Sanvi. Congratulations, Sanvi.
I think Sanvi is from Jodhpur, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, even I think so.
Yeah.
She's from Jodhpur.
Yeah, she had those dupattas.
Innovative people have to be from Jodhpur, you know.
Look at someone taking away all the credit.
I'm just giving it to Lajo and Ajay actually.
Yeah, Pranay, you were mentioning something.
Yeah, before we move on, we would like to hear from our very own Shekhar Da. An award ceremony without hearing from Shekhar Da would be incomplete. Shekhar Da, would like to hear from you about how your experience was and how.
I'll just mute everybody once.
Yes.
Congratulations, everyone. Pranay, you, Manish, Neena, Aparna, and the entire team. I can see Seema, Savita, Nisha, Lajo, Veena, Jyoti, Seema, Rita, all of you. I may miss out on somebody. Congratulations. Outstanding effort. We are hearing the reviews. And what's good is a new team, a new experience, a new thought process, a new way of presenting what we have been doing for the last so many years. I'm so happy to see the responses the reviews people have had. And I always say Rotarians find opportunities in challenges. Challenging times exhibition नहीं हो सकता था, तो हमने उससे भी बेहतर तरीका निकाल लिया, एक opportunity निकाल ली. My compliments to you, everyone. Pranay, well done. The leader has to be there to lead the team, and you've really done very well. My compliments to each and everyone. And all the stallholders, thank you for participating. Let me just tell you, while it has been business for you, our business is mankind. So the contributions that you have made after meeting out the expenses, it will go for various projects like heart surgeries for children, putting up toilets in rural West Bengal, giving scholarships to children, maintaining a peace park in the city of Kolkata. Do visit that park. It's right at the back of Victoria Memorial. As you face Victoria Memorial backside, the park on the left-hand side, you will see it's called the Mahanagar Peace Park. So do visit that park. various charitable activities. We run an eye hospital also. We run a blood line. कभी किसी को blood कहीं नहीं मिल रहा हो कैलकाटा में, तो Rotary की blood line पे phone करिएगा, guaranteed we will provide you blood. कहीं भी ना मिले कैलकाटा में, लेकिन हमारे पास वहाँ जरूर मिल जाएगा. So these are the good things that you are doing, even while you are doing your business. Thank you very much for participating, and once again compliments to the team Sanduk. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
Thank you, Bhaiya, for your kind words of inspiration, as always, sir. As always, sir. Yes, Aparna.
Yeah. So, by God's grace and the blessings of our parents and elders, I think Sanduk rocks. Sanduk has really done well. Everybody seems to be really happy, and it's really a joyous feeling for us all. I'd like to especially thank all the exhibitors for the most innovative and youthful products. That's the best part. I think I didn't even imagine we'll get such amazing products. Last night I was very tired, but I just did not want to leave Sanduk. I kept browsing because there was so much to do, so much to see. Not only fashion, jewelry, but home decor, food. It's really, really beautiful. Also, it shows the true entrepreneurial spirit of all our exhibitors. They have adapted so well. I was talking to a lady in Raipur yesterday. I bought something, a decorative product. So she had exhibited her product in her garden, and she showed me on the video call from Sanduk. She showed me the product beautifully displayed in the garden, and she could show me the colors, the size, and she made her sale within 10 minutes. That's really the essence of a true entrepreneur, and the whole purpose of this video call and WhatsApp feature, which is on Sanduk platform. I'd like to thank all our wonderful sponsors. They are the ones who gave us the strength, and they encouraged us that, no, we can do this. Of course, nothing would have happened if the visitors had not come. So as Pranay mentioned, we had 4,000 plus visitors yesterday. I'm still to receive the exact tally for today. And of course, this is people who have visited the exhibition with their login. The same person has come n number of times. So we are not even counting that. We're just talking about 4,000 plus being the unique visitors to the exhibition, which is a fantastic number. I'd like to especially thank Team MindEdge. I would request all those from Team MindEdge who are there in the meeting to just quickly put your thumbs up so we can see you. This is the team behind the entire technical platform that you saw. There was Swaroop, Amrita, Hitarth, the newly joined Santu, Saurav, the creative designer, Sumit Basak, and Vivek Gupta, and the leader, the technical leader amongst them all was Sumit Debnath, who has actually brought this team together and set up everything, the technical backbone. But the technical mastermind behind the entire show was the man who leads MindEdge, and that's Manish.
And the inspiration behind Manish.
Yes, congratulations, Aparna. These two have been the pillars of Sanduk Online Exhibition from day one.
So Manish was the guy who brought this entire thing, that this is how the database is going to happen. And you know, the most exciting feature, which we actually developed just last week, was that real-time feature where, you know, a seller, he can actually see every time a visitor is coming to his stall. He gets a notification. So he is not just staring at a screen. He is really involved in the selling process. So every time if Savita Puthari is entering my stall, I get to see a notification. And if I'm a good salesman, I can send out my portfolio, I can send out a brochure, I can send out a hi Savita ji. And we've been receiving that in the last 3 days. So this feature, I think, has been really unique, and I haven't seen this across any online exhibition platform as of now. So the entire credit for the technical setup is Manish Biyani. I can't miss the creative agency led by Saket and Swati Goenka.
Are they there?
Swati. They have been outstanding. We've even called them up at 11 o'clock in the night. कि हम लोग को सुबह 10 बजे video चाहिए, and they're there. They have some magic. Again, they've really worked hard for this entire thing.
Aparna, I echo what you are saying, both things. The technical aspect was just outstanding, and the visuals, the creatives were absolutely superb. Very nicely done. And Manish and you deserve all the compliments, but for your efforts, I don't think this would have been so smooth and so possible. Well done.
Thank you, Bhaiya. That's really kind.
Thank you.
So I want to thank all the celebrities who came forward in this entire Sandook, and especially Savita for contacting them, calling them, fixing timelines with all these celebrities. They have given us such exciting breakout sessions, and it's been not just a shopping experience. I think it's become like an extravaganza. Every day you go to Sandook, you see a new video playing. Dolly is coming up with some drapes. Dr. Madan is talking about astrology. So it's been a whole, like an event where there's shopping, there's food, and even there are celebrity events to watch out for. So for all those of you who missed anything, if you just click on Sandook and go to events, you can view all the exciting breakout sessions that we had. The whole idea behind breakout sessions was Rashi Bhabhi's, and I think it really worked. Thank you for the same. I'd like to thank the various influencers who across India, so we had 4 or 5 influencers across India. They have posted stories on their social media. And of course, because they already had such a big follower base, I think that really helped in getting this fantastic footfall. I'd like to thank our special jury, which constituted of Rashi Mehta and Sonal Sanghvi, who really done a fantastic job. I know it was really tough selecting, I'm sure, as they rightly mentioned. They have been pioneers in this exhibition world. They are the ones who, conceptualized exhibitions and how exhibitions could be a fundraiser for our Rotary Club. So many years back, they started this entire thing. So they were the best people to be the judges today. I'd like to thank our international leader who's there amongst us, with us, Mr. Shekhar Mehta. Shekhar Bhaiya is the Rotary International President-elect for the next year. I mean, he's going to be the leader of Rotary across all the countries. So his words, and the way so when he saw the blueprint of the app in the little demo, and he said, yeah, it's very nice. That one line gave us so much of encouragement. And I said, okay, half the battle is won. I think it's okay. I think people are going to like it. So thank you for your words of encouragement. And of course, it's your ideas and your concepts that we sort of have brought together in this entire thing. I'd like to thank our fellow Rotarians, not only of Mahanagar, but across the world. And of course, the Inner Wheel members, because they are the real strength in the ladies who have visited this exhibition. Our Rotarian community has been sharing posts about Sandook organically through no paid campaigns, just because they care. So they have shared because they cared, and that's what has made this entire thing so successful. So thank you, Rotarians and Inner Wheel members. On Shekhar Bhaiya's idea, we had come up with this WhatsApp group called the Sandook Ambassadors. This constituted friends living in different cities. We brought them together in this 220 member WhatsApp group. And they were the ones in the last 1 week, they have been sharing our WhatsApp creatives in their cities, with their friends and family. And I think this really has been magical, because through those 220 people, we've reached out to hundreds and thousands. So thank you to each and every Sandook ambassador. Thank you for being with us in this cause. And lastly, the special 26, the Sandook team, led by the most dynamic Pranay. Pranay, it's been awesome working with you. And we're going to miss those Zoom meetings every Wednesday and Saturday, 7 o'clock. Pranay ka message aa jata tha, Zoom meeting. We used to all say, oh no, another Zoom meeting. But wo meeting nahi hoti, to I think event hi nahi hota. Because, each one in the meeting would have some crazy question or some crazy idea. And that would make us all think, कि अरे हाँ ये एक जन का question है, तो ये हजारों का question हो ही सकता है. So we got to find a solution to this. So when Reena Bhabhi says that, अरे कैसे हम लोग को तो आएगा नहीं browse करना, so it led us to think we got to make it really simple. So when somebody said that, are they going to be able to access data of visitors who are coming to their stalls? Again, it gave us a fantastic idea, and we've made that possible. So I think it's been a fantastic experience. Thanks to Special 26. Thank you, Pranay. If I've missed something, you can just add to it.
Great, Aparna. You almost covered everybody, and we just missed you and the way you led the team, the way your energy led the entire Special 26 and the back-end team. You and Manish just killed it, I would say. The first look we had of Sanduk, I remember, it was like awesome. It was like we had there was nothing to change. It was so perfect. I remember when we gone to Shekhar Bhai office and the first preview, we were like shivering in our legs. What would be this review? And it was like perfect. You know, I still remember that day. That was the moment we got approval from him, we said yes, Sanduk was going to rock. That was the day we really thought yes, it's going to happen. And thanks to two of you, the two duo, the tech team, the tech mind edge is like really awesome. And Mahanagar is really thankful to that we chose Mind Edge as our partner. Thank you very much. Thank you, Manish and Aparna and everybody.
So to awesome foursome.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Hari. And I would like to thank Nina also, who stood beside me even when I was not well during these days. And thank you, Nina, for being with me all this while. And Aparna,
तो
I know you four are going through.
प्रणय, ये तो तुम लोगों ने तब कर लिया जब both the president and secretary are down with COVID. Can you believe?
Yes.
Outstanding. This needs just huge round of applause. मतलब this virus could not bog you down. Outstanding.
Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you very much. I have a small video about our Special 26 team.
I think so. We have to say our goodbyes because 11:30 our another event is on. So you know,
Bye-bye.
I know everybody is so charged up and lot of thanks, lot of things to go, but you know we'll miss that event. So let's rush.
Okay, go.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, thanks
Thank you
everybody.
for everyone for joining in. We hereby terminate the award ceremony. Thank you everyone for joining in.